Hello, would you like to practice your English speaking, listening and reading? Well, then this video is for you. My name is Rebecca and I am an English teacher. I teach English on YouTube using different methods such as comprehensible input and practice speaking videos like this. So if you want to improve your English, let's get started. I am going to ask some questions and then I will have the answer underneath and you have to repeat what it says. So read it and then repeat what it says. So it's going to start off simple and then get harder. So it'll go through the levels: beginner, intermediate, advanced. So you can see what questions that you find easy to answer and what you find more difficult. So we'll start off with easy, simple beginner questions. What is your name? How old are you? Where are you from? What is your job? What is the weather today? So that was some beginner questions. Now I'm going to go into a situation. So I'm trying to think of the most common situations that you have to speak a language in. So I currently live in Spain, and the main situations that I have to practice or speak Spanish is in a cafe or a restaurant. So we're going to do that situation. Hello, welcome to our cafe. How are you today? Great. What would you like to drink? Okay, I'll get that for you and I'll come back in a few minutes. Do you know what you would like to order for food yet? And would you like to change anything about that? Any allergies? And for your friend, what would they like? Okay, we'll get that for you in about 15-20 minutes. How is the food? Is everything all right? Okay, we'll get that for you now. All finished up? Would you like anything for dessert? Good. This will be your bill. Cash or card? Okay, just put in your PIN here. Thank you very much for eating with us and I'll see you soon. Now I am going to have a conversation about making plans with a friend, okay? Hello, how are you? Yeah, no, I'm fine, thank you. Do you have any plans for this weekend? Oh, you're thinking of going to the beach? Yes, the weather has been great. Okay, yeah, I'd love to come. What time are you thinking of going at? Cool. And is anyone else coming? Oh, that'll be fun. What do you think I'm going to need to bring? Yes, it has been quite sunny this weekend. Yeah, bring my sun cream. Okay, I'll meet you there. Yeah, I'll drive. Thank you so much for inviting me and I'll see you there. See you later. Bye. Bye bye. Now we are going to do a more advanced conversation. So I am going to ask you about a dream that you had last night. You are going to describe the dream to me. Good morning. Did you sleep well last night? Oh, you had a crazy dream. Tell me about it. Oh my goodness. And then what happened next? I can't believe that happened. And then what happened at the end? Wow, dreams are crazy. Dreams are such a crazy thing. What even are dreams? I don't know. Well, thank you so much for telling me about your dream. Okay, that is all for today. So started off with beginner, easy conversation questions answering about yourself. Then intermediate situations like in a cafe, talking to your friend, making plans. And then third, more advanced, describing a more advanced scenario. So let me know how you got on and what stage you started to find it a bit more difficult, or if you find it all easy, well done, your English is really improving. So this is a great way to learn because it practices your listening from me, your speaking and your reading. So it's a great way to practice your English. So if you enjoyed this style of video, then please comment and let me know. Now, if you are interested in learning with me, I also have a comprehensible input course which teaches you the essentials of English. So this course will be linked below and you can check it out, see if you're interested. I also have more comprehensible input videos below, so check them out. And thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you later.